Alrighty guys, and welcome back to the Crazy MooSe's Crazy YouTube channel. We're down here in the Moose Cave just trying to have some fun. Trying not to take life too serious tonight. I just got it in the mail. We're playing Super Monkey Ball Banana Blitz High Definition, you guys. Here we go. We're on the main menu. I just got done downloading the game. This is the first time I'm playing it. We're going to do main game. We're just going to use the main character there. Alright. We're going to select World 1, which is called Monkey Island. So we're going to take Monkey Island. You guys, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Crazy MooSe just down here trying to have some freaking fun. Trying not to take life too seriously. It's been so long since I played me some Super Monkey Ball. Remember, we used to do bowling all the time. We used to do targets all the freaking time. Racing all the time. What's he gonna do? Cut our bananas? Zoinks! He done took our freaking golden banana, which is never good. Oh, we are so freaking mad, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to say our goal is probably to get the golden banana back. Move the ball by using the left thumbstick. Jump around hitting A. Alright, here we go. Stage 1. Here on Monkey Island. Come on, you guys. Here we go. Alright, we gotta collect all these, Oh, see, we had more bananas sitting out there, but we had times. Trying for a championship medal. We're just gonna go on to the next one, you guys. Come up. Look at this one. This one's got little whirly twirls. Alright, here we go, here we go. Oh. Alrighty. We just gotta learn the maps, you guys. It's the first time I've used a controller in I don't know how many years. Alright, we're gonna go on to map number 3 here on stage number 1. This one looks pretty simple. Oh, we gotta do jumps though. Alright, we're going to pick up some... Oh, my goodness. We got 15 bananas on that one. Still says that we're trying for a championship medal. Oh, come on! Alright, do we have the... There we go, we got them all! Trying for a championship medal, you guys, we're still in it. Here we go, here we go! Bonus stage! We got a 1-up. Did we get them all? We got them all. Nice. Trying for a championship medal still. We're still at we got a total of 9,366.
Ready?
Oh, I missed that one. Alright. We're just going for time on this one. Alright, look how long these maps are getting. We're going straight downhill, too. So we'll probably have a lot of speed by the time we get to the bottom of this. Oh, boy. Whoa, we were flying off the map. Okay. Oh, we got a figure 8 going here. We got to do a jump. Come on. All right. So as we collect bananas, I think it's what, every 100 bananas you get total, you get an extra a bonus life. So we're on Monkey Island, stage number 8, you guys. Whoa. Oh, see what happens when they're flapping their wings? They're throwing me off course, you guys. Holy crap. That's alright, we made it though. We made it. That was stage number 8. We're going on to stage number 9. Oh boy. Oh boy, you guys. We're going up against the boss battle. Nope. What am I supposed to do, you guys? Am I supposed to, like, hit her head? There we go! Oh, that's a bomb. Alright, we are hurting her. Oh, son of a gun, you guys! Oh, shoot! She got all her power back, too. Alright, let her... There we go. We jumped over her back and smacked her in the face. Oh my goodness. We missed on that one though. There we go. We got her down to 50% now. This is where we failed last time, but we need her to... There we go! Oh, there I go! Oh, dang it, guys. It'd be nice if I had some weapons. There we go. Alright, let's just keep going in a circle until she stops, and then we'll smack-a-doodle-doo her in the face. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. The freaking wing keeps kicking me. Dang it. Are you kidding me? I mean, guys, I can't even make this up. You can't even make this up. Not even... I got 40 seconds to hit her like 3 more times. There we go. We got 19 seconds to hit her twice. I have one more freaking hit, you guys. One more hit to win it. I guess this is why you get all your players. All your one-ups. There we go. We finally got the first hit. My tire out. There we go. That's 2 solid hits right there, you guys. 2 solid hits. We still got over a minute. Just trying to go a little slower this time. Let it tire out. There we go. We're 1 freaking hit away, and we still got a minute and 15 seconds. Here's the game. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Holy crap, that took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. Oh, son of a gun, you guys. Super Monkey Ball, Banana Blitz, High Definition. Crazy moves pulling off Monkey Island. World has been cleared. Look at this. We got an achievement. Beginner Monkey Baller. Cleared World 1. Champion. Got the champion medal for World 1. Congratulations on clearing World 1. World 2 has been unlocked. My freaking goodness gracious, you guys. We're going to do these in stages. This is the end of part number 1, so this will be called Monkey Island. All stages cleared. Then the next stage, I'll just keep going and going and going. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. As I keep playing this, you'll be able to watch it with me. You guys, till next time, stay crazy.